don't need much, but lately things have come up missing, and I don't know where they've gone. Yes, I need love, but if you don't have none to give me, then you can keep moving on. 'Cause we don't need a superhero to come and save us from the cards that we've been dealt. No, we don't need no superhero. Superman can't go to hell, 'cause we don't need nobody's help. We're seven. I woke up like, hey, let's go. I'll drink a bloody, then I hit the road. See, I don't know where I should roll, but I guess I'm okay with being alone. Last night I had a lot of stuff on my mind. Should I lie? Should I cry? Should I work 9 to 5? Should I let my woman decide? Oh, there's a lot of millions and I'm holding up. And sometimes I gotta wonder if I'm strong enough. 'Cause we don't need a superhero to come and save us from the cards that we've been dealt. No, we don't need